All right, I'm bike riding up here with Eamon, and Eamon, say what's up. I am starting a Google map and cataloging all the areas and features where they're already built or they need work or they're inspiring control points. Basically, I'm mapping out control points throughout the forest and throughout the Netherland area, and I'm sharing the Google map with a couple of collaborators. So you guys please add to the map, and let's start making a log and locations, and we can make notes about the requirements of every feature and control point that we're connecting with all of our network of new trails. And so this is the Hidden Valley jumps and berms. As I mentioned, there's several jumps going down this little valley line and some berms and some greater opportunity to build it up. And then we need to bring the little cordless chainsaw up here and take care of that tree. So Tristan, it's on you. Yeah, I was just thinking, as far as developing and kind of utilizing the existing damage to the land and grading to the land, we should utilize as many of the old mine tailing piles as possible, because those are already loose workable dirt that's already a blight or a scar on the land, and we can utilize these and focus our disturbance to these existing sand piles and just shape them and contour them and have them be a really great resource. And kind of, it's an upcycling of the damage to the land. We're upcycling it for joy and fun. Oh, also we need to bring the DeWalt electric chainsaw up here and take care of this cleanup. This tree got knocked down in the wind, so this is blocking the trail at the moment. You get this bad boy clean. So here's another super sweet spot. This is Boulder County open space, or great while riding conditions. It's another sweet spot right here. This is an old mining operation. This is Boulder County land here. Boulder County open space. It's Christmas Day, but this is really good steep terrain, and on a big powder day, you can see there's not too many obstacles, just trees, and a couple of gnarly looking obstacles up here at the top, and there's good launch points right here. It gets a little rocky and cliffs down below on this spot, so it's actually better to just go over the little rise there and then off to the downhill side. There's really good stuff over there. This is actually where I really like to drop in. These bolts could use a grinder and a sledgehammer and bend them over, cordless grinder. And look at all this cool stuff. And then there's a drop right there. But this all fills in with snow and drifting. You can see it's already starting to fill in right there. But this, you can go down here and you can go off of that concrete block there and have a nice little drop into a nice powder landing down below, and then just bum right on down there through the trees. It's super fun. This is a really great route. There's some people down there. Having fun. Christmas. Merry Christmas. All right, this is a trailhead into existing trail. There's ice skating rink. And you can see it already has the mark. There's Caribou Ridge right up there. And this is the trailhead. There's an existing trail here. Some nice decomposed granite brought in as the trail surfacing. Looks like it's all been screened and cleaned. And this is going on the Netherland property now. You can see another trail marker. All right, so this is a significant rock drop right here. This is the easy out, but you come down right there. This is the run up. This is the run out. I'm gonna give it a shot. I think I'll be all right.